The first JSON message was sent in April of 2001, and since then it has been gaining in popularity. For a while, XML, or Extensible Markup Language, was the only choice for open data exchange, but over the years there has been a lot of transformation in the world of open data sharing. The more lightweight JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, has become a popular alternative to XML for various reasons. First of all, it is less verbose than XML. Working with JSON is a different and superior experience. The simpler syntax helps you avoid the need to decide between many ways of representing your data because usually there is only one straightforward way to represent something. Another reason it is so popular is that the JSON data model structure matches the data. JSON data structure is a map, whereas XML is a tree. Although a map, just key and value pairs, can be limiting, that's what we want because it is easier to interpret and is predictable. While you may think that being limited is a bad thing, but it makes the code simpler, more predictable, and easier to read. XML can be formatted to look and function any way a company wants, but it makes it difficult for developers to read, understand, and convert. In most cases, people believe XML is better because developers can do anything under the sun, but in the age of simplifying, less is more in making JSON a better alternative. Another reason it is so popular is that it serializes and deserializes incredibly fast for most languages, which means it is easy and fast to send to another process, save to disk or file, and retrieve. You can save a data object to disk as JSON and send that file to someone else using a different language, and usually they have a library or package in their programming language of choice to easily deserialize it from the JSON data object into a data structure variable. While JSON may not always be the best choice to use in all scenarios, for most developers it is their go-to choice. Today, when two applications communicate with each other across the internet, odds are they are using JSON. An example of public data sources that use JSON would be Fitbit. You have logged you've been logging all your daily activities and exercises onto your trusty wearable, but after accumulating all that data on your athletic accomplishments, you don't want to leave it behind when you try out a new app. If you want to extract your data from the Fitbit account, you must start at the services website. Your data will appear as a JSON file, a standard data format, but one that isn't easy to read for human eyes anyways. If you later want to view it in a spreadsheet, you will have to use a tool to convert the JSON into CSV, a format that's easier to view in Excel. And if you plan to share your exported data with another service, check with which format the second app will support. You may need to convert your JSON file to another type, but it's easy to do, and you can go ahead and get that converted so you can pass it from one app to another. Thank you very much.